In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create a zip folder or zip file here in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed to the file folder that you would like to create a zip folder with. And once you've selected it, please make a right click while selecting it. And then you need to proceed in this area and go with show more options. Click on it. The moment you click on it, it will open you a new list of options. Please proceed with send to. And the moment you locate your cursor here, you would be able to bring up another option where here you need to locate for compressed zipped folder. Click on it. The moment you click on it, there you have that. In a few seconds, you would be able to create a zip folder out of the file folder that you have just created or saved here in your Windows 11. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.